Tom wakes up one morning and hears rain. It is raining softly outside. Tom likes rainy days, but today he feels bored. He wonders what he can do. After breakfast, Tom sits by the window. He watches the rain quietly. The sky is grey and water runs down the window. Tom sighs softly. Suddenly, he hears a knock at the door. Tom opens the door and sees his friend, Lucy, holding an umbrella. "Hello, Tom," she smiles. "Do you want to come to my house and play games?" Tom feels happy. "Yes, please," he replies quickly. He grabs his jacket and walks with Lucy under her big umbrella. The rain falls gently around them. They laugh and talk as they splash through small puddles. At Lucy's house, they take off their wet shoes. Lucy's mother brings hot tea and cookies. Tom feels warm and happy. "What games shall we play?" Lucy asks cheerfully. Tom thinks for a moment. "Puzzles," he suggests. "Great idea," Lucy says excitedly. They start working on a big puzzle together. Tom finds the edges and Lucy finds the colourful pieces. They help each other and laugh often. Slowly, the picture appears. Later, they play board games. They roll dice and move small pieces. Tom wins one game and Lucy wins another. They feel happy and relaxed. When they finish, Lucy shows Tom her collection of books. They choose one to read together. Sitting on the couch, they take turns reading pages aloud. Outside, the rain continues to fall softly. "I like rainy days," Tom says quietly. "They are perfect for being with friends." "I think so too," Lucy smiles warmly. "Rainy days are cozy." Soon, Tom's mother calls. "It is time to go home." Tom thanks Lucy and her mother warmly. He puts on his jacket and shoes. Lucy walks Tom home again under her umbrella. They talk quietly and happily. At Tom's door, Lucy smiles. "Thanks for coming today, Tom. It was fun." "Thank you, Lucy," Tom replies warmly. I had a wonderful time. Inside, Tom takes off his jacket. He feels happy, remembering his rainy afternoon with Lucy. Friendship, he knows, makes every rainy day special. Tom smiles softly, hoping for another rainy day soon,